Dwi Hartanti. The research title is ESG Performance and Financial Performance of LCC and FSC Air Carrier. Along with the increase of globalization, the aviation industry, which acts as a logistic and transportation facilitator, has also experienced rapid growth over the past 2 decades. However, in line with the development of the aviation industry, the negative impacts of the aviation industry on environmental, social, and economic sectors are also quite significant. The aviation industry has an impact on increasing the use of fossil fuels, raising social and economic problems, including fatal accidents, mistreatment of Asian passengers in 2017, corruption scandals in 2018, and other issues. These problems have increased public attention to the CSR performance of airlines. CSR activities, which consist of environmental, social, and governance dimension, or ESG, will affect corporate financial performance. CSR activities build reputation and public trust, encouraging a positive response from the market to improve financial performance. However, CSR implementation requires large financial resources and time allocation, thereby reducing companies' ability to maximize profit. In airline industry, airlines that are divided into low-cost carrier and full-service carrier, or FSC, based on their generic business strategy, are perceived to have different CSR performance and orientation due to differences in the service expectation provided, along with the difference in the price offered. Low-cost carriers, which tend to try to minimize costs in order to have competitive advantage, are generally seen as less environmentally friendly companies. The implementation of CSR, especially in non-operational CSR activities, is seen as inefficiency by customer in resource allocation because it creates additional costs that have an impact on increasing airplane ticket prices, thereby reducing the value of LCC company. In contrast, FSC, which strive to provide excellent quality and products and service as a form of competitive advantage, are seen as more environmentally friendly because they are driven by increased corporate value along with the improvement in service quality and CSR. Although CSR activities may result in additional costs, these activities will contribute to enhancing the company's image and reputation, which will lead to higher profitability and market valuation in the long run. This allows the FSC CSR orientation is not only about complying with environmental regulation, but to voluntarily carry out other initiatives on various CSR dimensions, such as social activities. Competitive and naturally polluting structure of airline industries make the CSR of airlines an interesting topic to research. Research on CSR in the airline industry mostly emphasizes the issue of CSR and financial performance. This research is closest to that of Yang and Ambassadors and Abdi et al. 2020, where Yang and Ambassadors investigated the effect of LCCs and FSCs CSR performance consists of overall CSR, environmental, and social performance towards their financial performance. However, they haven't investigated the governance dimension of CSR yet. In contrast, Abdi et al. 2020 research shows that the type of airlines was an insignificant factor in CSR performance to market-based financial performance relationship. Thus, dividing the carrier categories was not necessary. This therefore shows that the research from the relationship between CSR and general financial performance of LCC and FSC hasn't found conclusive result. This research aims to provide additional evidence of the relationship between CSR performance as proxied by ESG score, including governance dimension, and financial performance consists of accounting-based and market-based measurement of LCC and FSC, with GDP growth as one of the control variables. GDP growth, which indicates the rate of economic growth, is used as a control variable at the country level because it represents government policies that support industrial growth, which in turn can affect the average standard of living in various countries, and may affect the relationship between CSR performance and corporate financial performance of LCC and FSC. This study is important because it provides additional evidence related to how the effects of each individual CSR dimension on both indicator of financial performance, accounting-based and market-based, so that business practitioners can be wiser in disclosing CSR information. By linking CSR performance and corporate financial strategic objectives, it allows practitioners to formulate CSR-related strategies in order to gain competitive advantage. Last, by providing information related to certain CSR dimensions that needed to be improved, regulators may be able to develop the right incentive for the implementation of CSR policies to motivate the industry to be comparable with similar industries in other countries. Here's the list of literature that has been used for the basis of this research. For hypothesis development, several studies related to the effect of CSR performance on corporate financial performance show different results. Thus has not found conclusive results as shown in the slide. A more detailed study conducted by Sila 2017 and Tarmuji 2016, as shown in the slide, reveals that each dimension may impact the financial performance differently. In addition, the number of studies specifically carried out on each type of LCC and FSC airlines is still very limited, even though both have different CSR characteristic or types. The research conducted by Yang and Baasandos only discussed the effect of CSR performance on environmental and social dimension, as well as company characteristic on financial performance of LCC and FSC company, while research conducted by Abdi only discussed the effect of all ESG dimension performance to market-based financial performance, and find that the type of airline was an insignificant factor in CSR performance to financial performance relationship. No one has discussed the effect of ESG dimensions performance to both accounting-based and market-based financial performance of LCC and FSC by adding respective countries' GDP growth into consideration. Therefore, the study tries to add evidence and fill the gap mentioned by proposing the following hypothesis shown in the slide, where the first hypothesis is overall CSR performance has a significant effect on the financial performance of LCC and FSC. And the next three hypotheses try to investigate the effect of each CSR dimension. Data used in this study consists of 200 observations from 12 LCCs and 28 FSCs registered in the Thomson Reuters data stream who had completed ESG score data and financial performance for at least 4 years in the 2015 to 2019 period. By referring to Gwenster et al. 2011, statistic models used to test each hypothesis are shown in the slide. Here's the definition of each variable used in this study. The study used regression analysis, descriptive statistic, and univariate analysis. Regression analysis used to investigate the objective of the study was performed by using eFuse software. After conducting Chow test, Hausman test, and Lagrange multiplier test, the best estimation model found was fixed effect model. Besides regression analysis, descriptive statistic and independent t-test was used to test whether there was a significant difference between the average CSR values of LCC and FSC company. Last, univariate analysis was conducted by dividing the samples into two groups. Companies with the CSR performance scores above the average were grouped into high score CSR group, and the remaining were grouped into low score CSR group. Then the independent t-test was used to see whether there was significant differences between means of each group. Result and discussion. Based on the result of descriptive statistical test, it's known that full service carrier has a higher mean in overall ESG score and score of each CSR dimension than a low-cost carrier, but has a lower ROA and Tobin skew. The differences of LCC and FSC CSR performance is then tested using independent t-test at alpha 5%. Based on table 2, there is a significant difference in overall ESG, environmental dimension, and social dimension performance between FSC and LCC, with the overall ESG, environmental, and social dimension of FSC being higher than LCC. However, there is no significant difference between the governance performance of LCC and FSC. This can be due to the obligation for both types of companies to fulfill aspect of good corporate governance because they are public companies. Univariate analysis result. If the combination of the two types of airline is divided based on high score and low score in terms of CSR, based on table 3, the dominant airline type with high ESG score is FSC, while the dominant airline type with low score is LCC. It also can be seen that the most of FSC companies in the sample have high environmental, social, and governance performance, with percentage range of 51 to 74% of FSC samples. Meanwhile, most of the LCC companies have low environmental, social, and governance scores with percentage range of 53 to 86% of LCC samples. However, based on Table 4, there's no significant difference in financial performance, ROA and Tobin skew, between companies with high score and low score in terms of the overall ESG score and governance dimension. Significant differences in financial performance, ROA and Tobin skew, were found between companies with high and low score in the environmental and social dimension. Companies with higher score in environmental and social dimension tend to have lower ROA values than companies that have lower score in this dimension. This result aligns with Blowfield and Murray 2011 that suggests higher CSR usually need greater funds, thereby reducing net income and lowering the value of ROA. On the environmental and social dimension 2, companies that have higher score also have lower Tobin skew. This indicates that the company's environmental and social initiatives are not or have not received appreciation in the market yet. This result may be in line with the research of Nolet et al. 2015 that stated the linear model show a significant negative relationship between CSR performance and return on capital, while the nonlinear model in the form of a U-shaped relationship shows that CSR performance in the long term will have a positive impact. Relationship between overall CSR performance and financial performance. Based on Table 5, CSR performance proxied by ESG values has a significant negative impact on ROA of airline as a whole and full-service carrier, but not significant for low-cost carrier. This means that the higher the ESG performance of full-service carrier, the lower the ROA of these companies. This can be caused by the more efforts companies make to try to carry out CSR activities, the lower the profit at the time. On the other hand, based on Table 6, the overall ESG performance positively affects Tobin skew of low-cost carrier and airline as a whole, but not significantly affect Tobin skew of full-service carrier. This shows that overall CSR performance encourage a positive market assessment of LCC companies, while market assessment of full-service carrier are not significantly influenced by their CSR performance. Relationship between environmental performance and financial performance. Based on Table 7, CSR performance in the environmental dimension doesn't show a significant relationship with ROA of LCC, FSC, and airline as a whole. However, based on Table 8, environmental performance shows a significant relationship with Tobin skew company, with Tobin skew of LCC and overall airline, although not significant with Tobin skew of FSC. Environmental performance positively affects Tobin skew of LCC and airline as a whole. Thus, LCC and airline as a whole should focus on environmental dimension to improve Tobin skew. This result also in line with the result of Young and Bassander's research. Next. Results of relationship between social performance and financial performance. Based on Table 9, CSR performance in the social dimension doesn't show a significant relationship with the ROA of LCC, FSC, and airline as a whole. However, based on Table 10, we found that the social performance shows a significant relationship with Tobin skew of full-service carrier and airline as a whole, but not significant with Tobin skew of low-cost carrier. Social performance positively affects Tobin skew of full-service carrier and airline as a whole. Thus, full-service carrier may focus on the social dimension to improve Tobin skew. Relationship between governance performance and financial performance. Based on Table 11, CSR performance in the governance dimension doesn't show a significant effect on ROA of LCC, but has a significant effect of FSC and airline as a whole. Performance in the governance dimension negatively affects ROA of FSC and airline as a whole. Meanwhile, based on Table 12, the performance on governance dimension positively affects Tobin skew of low-cost carrier and airline as a whole, but negatively affects Tobin skew of full-service carrier with a different significance level. Summary: from this study, we found that ESG overall score has a significant negative impact on ROA of full-service carrier and airline as a whole, but a positive impact on Tobin skew of low-cost carrier and airline as a whole. In more detail, environmental performance positively affects Tobin skew of low-cost carrier and airline as a whole, while social score positively affects Tobin skew of full-service carrier. Governance score negatively affects ROA of full-service carrier and airline as a whole, also Tobin skew of full service carrier, but positively affects Tobin's skew of low-cost carrier and airline as a whole. Well, full service carrier dominantly has a high score on ESG, and every dimension of ESG, LCC shows otherwise. The environmental and social performance of full service carriers is significantly higher than LCC, but there is no significant difference on the governance performance. There's also no significant difference on financial performance between airlines that have high score and low score on ESG and governance dimension. Significant differences in financial performance are shown by airlines with high score and low score on environmental and social dimension, where higher score on both dimensions show lower ROA and Tobin skew. This may be caused by the effect of CSR performance on generating benefit for company may take some time rather than immediate result. As such, for full service carrier to improve Tobin skew, full service carrier should keep focus more on disclosing social dimension CSR, while low-cost carrier should focus more on environmental dimension of CSR and the overall CSR score. The results then can be used by business practitioners to be wiser in disclosing CSR information and formulating CSR strategy in respective airline type. That's all from us. Thank you for your attention.